Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, we're at Ikea, wherever the sign is, and it's my first ever time here. I've never been to an Ikea, but we're here to get some racks for my mugs, and I didn't expect it to be so big, so I'm not overwhelmed, I'm just very confused.
You okay? You look concerned.
Well, I try not to look too soon.
You can look.
Oh, that's the cafe! Is this for us to get into? I want to go. These are the rails that we're going to put on the wall. And then these hooks will hold the mugs.
Yes.
So it'll be a space saver for all my mugs. Yeah.